Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan and I'm in Key Largo, Florida on the African Queen, the original boat from the iconic movie, The African Queen, with Humphrey Bogart and Katharine Hepburn. And this reminds me about reliability scented maintenance. The movie is about the classic struggle between good and evil, and that's what reminds me about reliability. Because if you are an asset manager, then you know that you've got the same struggle on your hands. We know from thermodynamics that anything exposed to the real world will degrade, and that goes for the performance of our equipment. When you use reliability scented maintenance, it helps you to figure out what you have to do to make sure your equipment keeps giving you what it needs. In other words, it helps you to manage that degradation. So there you have it. When it comes to reliability, there is definitely a struggle between good and evil. But you can use reliability scented maintenance to figure out what you have to do to continue getting the reliability you need from your equipment. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching. The original boat from the classic movie with Katharine Hepburn. And who?